Hello everyone, Reece Smith here from Smith's Estate Agents. Today I am at this beautiful detached 5-bedroom property. Inside the house we've got 4 reception rooms and then a 5th open plan kitchen diner. We've got 3 garages just underneath the property in the basement, and then upstairs we've got an attic room as well. There's also 3 full bathrooms in the property as well. But enough about that, let's get inside and start having a look level by level. Alright then guys, so now we are inside the property today. So on this ground floor level, we've got 4 reception rooms, an open plan kitchen diner over just to the left, and then you've got access down to the basement just below me on the right. Have a look at the photos and then we'll jump up to the first floor. There we go, so now we are on the first floor of the property, and on this level we've got 4 bedrooms all the way around me, family bathroom just over there, and then these 2 bedrooms just to the left and right of me both have en suites. What we'll do, we'll pop up to the attic room and have a look at that. And there we go guys, so now we are upstairs in the attic room. Obviously there's plenty of space up here to do whatever you want with. This one has now been set up for a sort of entertaining and drinks room. What we'll do now, we'll pop to the outside and have a look at the garden. There we go then guys, so that is the whole tour of the property I have for you on Bronallt Road today in Hendy. We're going to finish in the garden, so if this is something that has taken your fancy and you'd really like to come and view it, reach out to me on the details below. I'd love to show you around.